Hey everybody, one of the first steps in our programming course is getting the software installed on your computer. Um, we still, as of recording of this video, don't know whether or not the district's going to be giving you a laptop with the software installed. If you are face-to-face, of course, the computers in the lab will have the software, but ideally, when you do the virtual, you're going to need this at home. So for the first year course, we use two different languages. This video will help you get the first of those languages installed. It's a language called Python. It's a popular language for beginners like yourself. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the python.org homepage. You can see it here on my screen. Once you're there, pretty obvious, you want to go to download. And once you're there, there's going to be a whole bunch of different versions. Right at the top here, there's a little yellow button, I guess. Python version 3.8.5. This is the one you're going to get. We're doing all these videos assuming that you have a Windows computer. If you don't, we need to talk. Please contact us right away, and we can get things figured out for you. But anyway, you go to download that, and you can see there in the bottom left, it will put that there. It's an executable file. It's a file that you can run on your computer. I can't install it because, one, I already have it installed, and two, it's a school computer, so I don't have access to install. But what you're going to do once you download it is simply click on that file. I'm using Chrome, so I can just click on that in the bottom left, and it'll go through the install process. Otherwise, if you want to find it, you can go to this PC, and you go to Downloads, and it should be there. Once you put that on its basic install, it'll just, you want to make changes to your computer, yes. Just do all the defaults. And once you have that installed, what you're going to look for, if it doesn't put it on your desktop, which I think it does, but I'm not 100% positive, what you're going to look for is an icon that looks like this. Let me drag it here to the center. It's an icon that says IDLE, I-D-L-E. It's the Integrated Development Environment. If it's not there for some reason, what you will do is go to the lower left to your Windows and hit IDLE, and it should pop up. There's going to be a couple of different Python icons. This is the one you want. If you run the others, it's not going to get to where you want to be. It should look like this when you open it up. Ta-da! Mine's an older version of 3.7, whatever, it doesn't really matter. So as long as this comes up, you are set. See you in the next video. Again, if you have any questions, please let us know.